Question 21. On a map, 1 centimetre represents 20 kilometres. So basically the 1 centimetre is the map distance and the 20 kilometres is the real life distance. And we get told that the real life distance, or the real distance between two cities, is 250 kilometres. On the map, what is the distance between the two cities? Well, what we really need to do is figure out how many lots of 20 go into 250. Because every lot of 20 is worth 1 centimetre. Okay, so the easiest thing to do here is to spot that, well, if 1 centimetre is 20 kilometres, then you could times them both by 10. We're trying to get this into 250 kilometres. So if you times them both by 10, then 10 centimetres would be 200 kilometres. That's pretty obvious. You've times the 1 and the 20 both by 10. So 10 centimetres would be 200 kilometres. And then from there, to get from 200 to 250, it isn't going to be that much more difficult. So an extra centimetre, taking us up to 11 centimetres, would be an extra 20 kilometres. So that would be 220 kilometres. An extra centimetre, 12 centimetres, would be 240 kilometres. And an extra centimetre, 13 centimetres, would be 260 kilometres. Now, we've basically got a problem because we've gone to 260 and actually 250, we've gone over what we wanted. So we could just say, well, this 250 fits in nicely here between 240 and 260. So if 250 is between 240 and 260, we need to go in between 12 and 13, and in between 12 and 13 is 12.5 centimetres, or 12.5 centimetres, and that's going to be your answer. 12.5 centimetres or 12.5 centimetres. Either of those two will do. So just to cut a long story short, we went from 1 centimetre straight up to 10 centimetres by timing it by 10, and 20 times 10 was 200, and then we've just added on an extra 20 kilometres, 220, added on another 20, 240, added another 20, 260, but that made 13 centimetres on the map. So we had to go back down to 12.5 because it was in between 12 centimetres and 13 centimetres, which is in between 240 and 260.